Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to increase your energy in Heartopia. Energy is very important because you need it to do many activities like harvesting timber, collecting fruits, and more. But don't worry, adding energy is super easy. First, just open your inventory or by tapping the backpack icon on your screen, this one, like this. And then next, just choose any food or fruit that you have stored in your inventory, like for example like this or like this. So make sure you have enough food available like this, and after that just tap on it, this one, like this, and just like that your energy will increase instantly like this. But take a note, its foods or fruit will give a different amount of energy, so choose wisely depending on how much energy that you need. And okay, that's it, simple and easy. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.